show you how you can create interactive slides that you can then share with your students in classroom. Makes for a really cool project. You can embed the content, ask some questions, and then give the information to the students. So what we're going to do is you have to do a little bit of upfront work. So you have to have your template with all of your content already created. So as you can see, I have my slide number 1. My second slide, it has my video. My third slide has a question, so on and so forth. So what I want to do is I want to be able to link to each of these slides and provide some interaction for the students. So if you'll see, I have my slides created, and I want to be able to link Google Keep. I want them to be able just to go ahead and click on Google Keep and it take them right to that video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight Google Keep, and then I'm going to go up to my toolbar and I'm going to insert a link. And I want to insert a link to a slide in this presentation. So I'm going to select slides in this presentation. And for this one, I want to go to the next slide. So I'm going to select next slide and then apply. So now I'm going to go to my second slide, and I want to be able to have the students provide feedback on this particular video that they've watched. So I'm going to select feedback. I'm going to insert the link. Once again, I'm going to select slides in this presentation, and I want to go to the next slide and then apply. So now my students, when they click that, it will take them to that third slide. And here they can provide their feedback. You may have an essential question that you want them to address and to answer after they've viewed the video. So then I want to be able to go back to my first slide. So I'm going to highlight my home button. I've added the home. And then I'm going to insert my link. I'm going to once again select slides in this presentation. And I want to go back to my first slide. So I'm going to select first slide and then apply. So I've already previously linked all my other slides. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my first slide, present. So now here they can select the content that they want to look at. So I'm going to select Google Keep. I'm going to select and watch the video. Then I want to provide feedback. Select my provide feedback here in the right corner. Provide my feedback. And then I want to go back home after I've provided feedback. And it's going to take me back to that first slide. So let's say that I want to find out about instant search cards. I would select instant search cards. Learn about instant search cards. And then go back home. And then I could do how to insert a video. Very, very easy, great way to create interactive slides that you can then share with your students. Thanks and have a good day.